It's a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle with less than 31,000 miles. This 70 Chevelle SS396 had a frame-off restoration around 6 years ago, and it's a rebuilt 396. It has a rebuilt 4-speed transmission, new centerline clutch, rebuilt carburetor, complete AC rebuild, and new FLOWMASTER exhaust. It even has a new starter. It also has new shocks, springs, and ball joints, new heater core, new gas tank, new power steering pump, and new front wire harness. It comes with all new front fenders, new rear quarter panels, new floors, new $5,000 paint job, new dash pad, and it has new seat covers and new windshield. This is a quality build, and this car performs and sounds fabulous. Come check out this Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe today.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at NapoliClassics.com.